Hello friends, welcome to Technical and Programming AK. Today I will teach heading tag in HTML. So first of all, open your editor, WebStorm editor. Use the WebStorm editor. So then click on File menu, then click on New, then select the project option, and then see here, write your project name here. My project name is heading. Then click on create, then click on new window. So see here, my project is successfully created here. Then add new file. Okay, then right click on this, then click on new option, then select HTML file here, and then give the name of program here. Okay, heading. Okay, so heading.html is a file opened, then write the code in body tag. So h1 tag here, technical and programming. Okay, then copy this name, only copy this name, copy, then use h2 tag here and paste here this name, then use h3 tag here, paste the name, then h4 tag use here, copy and paste, then h5 tag here, use the h5 tag here, use last one is the h6 tag. h1 tag is the biggest tag and h6 heading is smallest. So then click on file menu, then save all and run this HTML file. So see here, this is the h1 tag. h1 heading is the biggest, then h5 is smallest, and this is the last one is the very smallest, is a h6 tag. So heading tag is successfully created HTML file. So I hope you like it, and subscribe to my channel Technical and Programming AK, and click on bell icon for another updates. So thanks for watching this video.